Hey guys, this is Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the new launch by Nykaa. They have come up with a new variant in their Nykaa Naturals shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. The new variant is fermented rice, water and bamboo. And we all know how good fermented rice water is for our hair. Let's start with the packaging. I really like the pastel blue packaging. It looks so aesthetic lying there in your washroom. It is travel friendly, it shuts well. The conditioner, like any other conditioner, comes in a tube form, which is very handy and travel friendly. The hair mask comes in a tub like this. It comes in a lid like this. You have to remove this and here comes the hair mask. The texture of the hair mask is a little on the thicker side. As you can see from the jar, it's not shaking much. So it's a bit thicker in consistency. And let me tell you guys, this hair mask smells exactly like the hair spa you get done from the salons. Yeah, it has that same salon hair mask fragrance. So if you're too lazy to go to a salon, then you have it at your home. Fragrance is everything. Fragrance can take you from one place to another in seconds. It has a strong mint kind of a smell. If you go for salon hair spas, you would know how their hair mask smells. It smells a lot like that. And do not worry about the fragrance, as the fragrance does not linger for long. It will go away once you wash it off. So if you have a sensitive nose, you don't need to worry about that. It is not going to last for a long time. You get 200 ml of this shampoo for 399 rupees, which is extremely affordable for the quality they are providing. And the conditioner is 180 ml for 399 rupees, and the mask is 200 ml for 599. This is a bit on the pricier side, but I would say this is worth every penny because you will see the change in the first go itself. It does help in combating frizziness to a certain level. After I applied this hair mask, I could see a change. It was a lot less frizzier than what it used to be. In one wash itself, I could see the difference. Plus, this range of Nykaa Naturals is free from paraben, SLES, cruelty free, and it's 100% natural actives. It has no added color. It has no mineral oil. After having used this, I can vouch for how amazing this range is. Okay, shampoo, you can use it normally like any other shampoo. After cleansing your scalp and hair, you can proceed with the conditioner, or if you're feeling like applying the hair mask, you can go ahead with that. This hair mask can be applied once or twice a week. On some days when you don't have much time and you just want to wash off quickly, then you can use the conditioner, because you have to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. After washing, you would see your hair will be a lot more manageable and less frizzier. At least for me, that is how it worked, and I'm really happy with the result. This is my hair after using these two products, the shampoo and the hair mask. No heat appliance has been used on this hair. That is why you can see this. There is still a bit of frizziness due to the monsoon season. But still it's a lot less than what it normally is. That is why I'm really fascinated by this range, because it really worked in the first go itself. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.